Is Microsoft Clipchamp not opening, crashing on a startup, or stuck on the loading screen in Windows 11? In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix the Clipchamp app on Windows 11. Let's get started. First fix, force restart. Right click on taskbar, click on Task Manager, left menu pane, click on Processes, then you will find here Microsoft Clipchamp. Just right click on Microsoft Clipchamp and click on End Task. Close Task Manager, then try to open Microsoft Clipchamp. If it is still not working, you have to go for next fix. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings, left menu pane, click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Scroll down. Here you will find Microsoft Clipchamp. Click on the three-dot menu for more options. Then click on Advanced Options. Scroll down. Here you will find Reset. Under Reset, you will find a button Repair. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. Click on Repair. Repair is going on. Repair successfully finished. Close settings. Hope this troubleshoot will fix your issue. And if Clipchamp is still not working, go for next fix. Right click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Left menu pane. Click on Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. And if you find any update pending, you need to install the update and keep your computer up to date. If it is still not fixed, you have to go for next fix. In search, type CMD. Right click on command prompt. Click on Run as administrator. In command prompt, type SFC. Scan now. The system file checker will scan your file system and check any corruption occurred in file system, and then you need to restart your computer. If this troubleshoots not solve your issue, go for next fix. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. In Run, type wsreset. It will reset the Microsoft Store cache. If the store or its background dependencies are glitching, it can block apps like Clipchamp from executing properly. Click on OK. Close Microsoft Store. Next fix. Right click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Left menu pane. Click on Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Scroll down. Click on three-dot menu icon on Clipchamp. And then click on Advanced Options. Scroll down. Under Reset, you will find a Reset button. If this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Click on Reset and then click on Reset again. Reset is continuing and reset is done. Hope these fixes will solve your issue. If Microsoft Clipchamp is still not working, you have to uninstall this app. Click on Uninstall and uninstall this app. And then in search, type Store. Click on Microsoft Store. In search, type Clipchamp. Click on Microsoft Clipchamp and install a fresh Microsoft Clipchamp from here. That's it. These are the steps to fix Microsoft Clipchamp not working on Windows 11 computer.